Please open in your learning workbooks to page 136. We continue our discussion of domain, but before we do, let's play with fractions and zeros just a little bit to learn a very, very important conclusion that will be helpful when we return to solving problems. Consider the fraction 1/2 divided by 3/4. You might remember the rule that to divide two fractions you have to keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction just the way it is, change the division into multiplication, and flip the second fraction over so that you can multiply instead. Simplify before you multiply. 4 divided by 2 is 2, which can be written as 2 over 1. We get the simplified result, 2/3. Let's try some more. Let's look at this fraction, 0 over 2 divided by 3/4. Focusing just on the numerator, 0 divided by 2 is 0. If you have no money and you try to split it evenly among two people, each person gets $0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. All right, from this we learn that when the numerator is 0 and the denominator is not, the result is 0. This is an important lesson because we need it again immediately. 0 divided by the number 3/4 equals 0. Let's try another one. 1 divided by 0, all divided by 3 divided by 4. Okay, let's again focus on the numerator. 1 divided by 0 is undefined because you're not allowed to divide by 0. Therefore, this answer is undefined. Next one. 0 divided by 4 is 0, and 1/2 divided by 0 is undefined. Last one. 1/2 divided by 3 over 0. 3 divided by 0 is undefined. Therefore, the result is undefined. Now, what's the pattern? What conclusion can we draw? Whenever we have two fractions being divided, where is there a 0 allowed to be, and where is there a 0 not allowed to be? 0 is okay in the numerator of the numerator, because we get the result 0. But in any other position, the result becomes undefined. So, A can be 0. However, B, C, D cannot equal 0. This very important conclusion will help us solve problems effectively in the next series of problems we're about to complete.